Holy snap, Kevin. We got a ton of campers.
I know.
Did you see this thing here?
Yeah.
The size of it.
It is a cottage on wheels.
My wife sees that, man, I'll have to take that home.
No, we'll sell that to someone else.
Oh my God, we got a ton of campers. We probably got the most inventory we've ever had.
Guaranteed.
You know what? Talking about women and wives, they make you buy campers.
Typically, buy everything, yeah.
What do you think about an open house Mother's Day weekend?
Like a camper open house?
Yeah, like a camper open house.
So an open camper?
No, it's going to be like an open house. That's what I said.
We're not selling homes.
Yes, we are. We're selling a house. It's an open house.
Okay.
I don't care if they're campers, RV, call them what you want, but it's an open house. We're going to open the house across the street, which is where we do business, and people are going to come and have a look at the campers, and we're going to sell some.
So open RV.
No, if it was open RV, it would have to be open RVs, plural, because we have a ton.
Okay, I got you.
So Mother's Day weekend,
Yep.
10 to 4, maybe Saturday and Sunday. And I know you're saying, nobody's going to come. Nobody's going to come. We're going to give away
I didn't
tickets,
say that. Okay.
tickets to the Cavendish Beach Music Festival.
Ooh.
Say that 10 times fast.
Can I get those tickets?
No, you're not eligible. I think it's a great idea.
So Mother's Day weekend?
Mother's Day weekend. Nobody does nothing on Mother's Day weekend.
Okay.
You know, take your mother out, look at an RV.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I gotta call my mom.
For what?
Hey Ma, what are you doing Mother's Day weekend?
Oh, my
No, we're not doing that.
Sniveling.
You and Dad are gonna buy a
He's
camper.
calling his mother.
You can afford it.